So today what we're going to be doing is covering our gas stove. You'll see that I've already started taking off the covers here. So we're just going to go like this. This piece here comes off. Then this. We're going to do this with all of the burners, which exposes this area here. So you may want to clean this area. We've already prepped it and we've already cleaned it. Once you've done that, you're going to grab some tin foil, which is this over here. This is purchased from Costco. And then you're going to cut off the size that you need. So, take your tin foil, run it across up to around there, wherever you want the overlap to be. And then you just basically cut that. After you've cut that, you're going to line it up to where you want it. And we like to extend it as far out as we can because of food splatter and such.
Do you need something to help push it down on the side?
Nope. Okay. So if you're doing it around the sides here, you're going to want to rip it a bit so you can get that angle.
Show where you ripped it.
What's that?
Where did you rip it?
Right over here.
Okay.
So you can be able to curve it down. Once you've curved it down, then you can just tuck it beside your counter. Like so. And same thing over there. Then you're going to grab another sheet, do the exact same thing. Now we've already prepared another sheet. Now of course this one's going to be easier because you don't have to worry about that angle at the front there. So you're just going to fold it. And just feed it in place. Same thing on this side over here. Now on the front, you want to bring down the lip so it covers this area over here. And depending on how your stove is designed, you might have some markers there to tell you what level of heat intensity you have. So you may not want to cover it entirely. But some stoves also have a part that you can lift up. You can tuck underneath there as well. Alright, after that, grab a knife, find your burners, you can cut a hole where the burner is, and then just basically cut around that.
You made that one too big. You normally don't make it that big.
Yeah, I did. So once you've done that, then you can grab your little pieces here and then put your caps in. That'll keep it in place so you can work on that. And basically you repeat the process for all of your burners. Now some things to note here when you're looking at the burner. This part here is your spark. This is your pilot light. When you turn on your gas stove, that's the part that ignites the gas. So you want to make sure that's clean as possible and dry. So what I usually do is after I do this, I turn the burner on and I leave it on for a little bit so it can burn off any kind of moisture that's there. Yeah, you'll notice at the top here, as I'm pressing this down, this is falling down. Nothing you can do about that. If you put tape there, it's probably going to melt because of your stove or your oven. So just be wary of that. If you want, you can kind of cut it and just tuck it in there. That'll prevent it from falling as well. Now what you can do is cut little holes around the burner. Sorry, around the pilot light. That's going to give you the most effective coverage there. Cut that very well. There you go. That's probably the most effective hole there. That prevents it from splashing anywhere else. Basically, you're going to repeat this process for all of the burners. Once you're finished, you're going to go like this, and you're going to cover up all of your burners. And you'll be able to protect your stove from any splashes. That concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, please post it below. If you like the video, please click that button. Thanks a lot.